Hello kids, hope all of us are enjoying all our stories and poems and the play. Today we will come to know about Rakhi, an important festival for us. So the title of today's chapter is Rakhi, a sacred thread. India is popularly called a land of festivals. Many festivals are celebrated here with pomp and show. However, Raksha Bandhan is a simple festival, but it is very important in the life of the Hindus. जहाँ पे बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल्स हम बड़ी धूमधाम से मनाते हैं, वहीं रक्षा बंधन थोड़ा सा सिंपल फेस्टिवल है, लेकिन हम सब हिंदुओं के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on the full moon day of the Hindu month of Shravan. Now, Shravan is from July till August. It is also called by a few other names as Rakhi, Rakhdi, Lakhdi, Saluno, etc. Today, it is celebrated to mark the sacred relationship between brother and sister, in which a sister ties a sacred thread around her brother's wrist. This is called a wrist. It is believed that it was not so in the past. बहुत पुराना फेस्टिवल नहीं है शायद ये. There is a tale in the Puranas. Once in a battle, the demons were winning against the gods. At that time, Indrani, the wife of god Indra, tied a charmed thread around Indra's wrist. With this, Indra grew very powerful and defeated the demons. This festival symbolizes the love and affection that binds sisters to their brothers. A brother may not be with his sister on this day, yet he must tie the Rakhi round his wrist. The sanctity of this festival can be seen from the fact that if a girl ties a Rakhi on the wrist of a young man totally stranger to her, both of them regard each other as brother and sister to the end of their lives. तो अगर कोई लड़की किसी स्ट्रेंजर की रिस्ट पर भी राखी बांध देती है, तो वो लड़का लड़की एक दूसरे को लाइफ लॉन्ग भाई बहन की तरह ही देखते हैं. Though this festival is simple, yet its arrival can be known by the stalls that are set up in the markets displaying beautiful and colorful Rakhis. Women of all ages throng these stalls to buy Rakhis for their brothers. On the Raksha Bandhan day, a girl rises early. She takes a bath and gets ready in her best dress. By then, her brother is also ready. She puts a Rakhi and sweets in a plate. She covers her head with a dupatta and sits before her brother. She puts a saffron tilak and daubs rice on his forehead. Saffron जानते हैं ना? केसर. केसर का तिलक लगाती है और उसके ऊपर थोड़े से चावल के दाने लगाती है. Then she ties the colorful Rakhi on his wrist. Then she picks up a piece of sweet meat and playfully stuffs it in his mouth. Sweet meat जानते हैं? मिठाई. She also prays for his long life, prosperity and well-being at this time. हालांकि बड़ा solemn ritual है, लेकिन फिर भी बहन कभी-कभी प्लेफुली पूरी की पूरी मिठाई भाई के मुंह में डाल देती है. In turn, the brother puts some money or gift in the plate as a mark of his affection. Also, he pledges to guard her honor and self-respect until the last drop of his blood. तो भाई भी बहन को कुछ तोहफा या पैसे देते हैं और एक प्रॉमिस देते हैं कि जब तक उनकी जान है, वो अपनी बहन की रक्षा करेंगे. If a sister foresees that her brother would not be with her on the Raksha Bandhan day, she sends a Rakhi to him by post or courier so that her brother can tie it himself on his wrist. If on this day a brother is not present in the company of his sister due to any reason, the sister sits in the morning to pray for him, while the brother ties a Rakhi on his wrist himself or gets it tied by another girl. Brothers wear Rakhis on their wrist until the evening. How sacred this festival is can be known by many instances. One of the most famous historical instances is that of Rani Karmavati. Once, Bahadur Shah besieged the kingdom of Rani Karmavati. She felt hopeless as her army was small and weak. She desperately wanted help. So she sent a Rakhi to Humayun, the Mughal emperor. Humayun immediately proceeded with his army to Mewar to protect his new sister. Of course, he could not reach Mewar on time due to a long distance. In the meantime, the Rani immolated herself as her honor was at stake. On the other hand, Humayun was grief-stricken and pursued Bahadur Shah to rout his army badly. ये वर्ड जानते हैं आप? Immolated वर्ड का मीनिंग जानते हैं? खुद को जला देना is to immolate. तो देखा आपने, क्योंकि रानी ने हुमायूं को राखी भेजी थी और वो उनको अपनी बहन मानते थे, तो वो इतनी दूर से उनकी रक्षा के लिए आए. अब क्योंकि वो टाइम पे नहीं पहुंच पाए, तो रानी ने अपनी इज्जत बचाने के लिए अपने आप को जला करके मार दिया. हुमायूं इतने दुखी हुए कि उन्होंने बहादुर शाह की आर्मी को खदेड़ दिया वहाँ से, बुरी तरह से हरा के. Rakhi has played a role in our independence movement too. At that time, many women tied Rakhis on men's wrists and made them to pledge that they would fight until freedom was achieved. These men sacrificed everything to keep the honor of these sacred threads. चाहे बहुत पुराना फेस्टिवल है या नहीं है, हालांकि बहुत सिंपल फेस्टिवल है, लेकिन इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस बहुत ज़्यादा है.